Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I came across a channel on YouTube where this adorable girl is doing what she has deemed the Dutch pour. So basically we're going to do our version of that today the best we can. First things first, we're going to get the whole canvas covered with white. Make sure we get all our sides covered. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Okay, good. Now we're going to go ahead and torch this real quick. All right, now we're going to add our colors. I'm going to do this kind of off in the corner a little bit. So I'm using this purple. I'm going to do kind of the similar color scheme that I've been doing. Do a little bit of black here, just a little bit. Then I'm going to do some of this metallic kind of light blue turquoisey color. And then I'm going to add in a little bit of gold. Good. All right. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add more white around this, because basically we need to be very liberal with our white. Okay. And then I'm going to torch it again. Get rid of any remaining air bubbles. All right. And now the hairdryer. So we're going to start by just gently, real quick, pushing some of the white over. And then we're going to bring the color back. At least that's what we're going to try to do. Here we go. All right. I think one of the tricks is to not overdo it too much. You want to manipulate the paint too much, because then the colors, they can get a little bit muddy. I think what I might want to do right here though is maybe even real quick push some of the white back over. I hope I don't regret this. I'm going to try this. Okay. That line was just a little too perfect for me. I'm much happier with that now. Let's go ahead and we'll torch this one more time. All right. And now we're going to let this sit here for a little bit, see what else comes through, and then we'll do our close-up. I'm sorry guys, I have changed my mind one more time. I'm actually going to take my straw and I want to just do a little work on this edge real quick. There we go. Okay, I'm much happier with that. Let's go ahead and do our close-up. All right, we're going to start in the lower right-hand corner from this angle. I've got some very cool actions going on here. Look at this beautiful little lacing in there. And then we've got some really cool cells throughout here. And who knows how this may continue to develop, but let's go over here. There's some turquoisey cells coming through, and then definitely got kind of the wispy flower kind of pattern. The colors did muddy up a little more than I wanted to, but I'm definitely very happy with it. It may be the number of colors that I used. I don't know. But yeah, I still think it looks gorgeous. So guys, definitely check out her channel. Like I said, I'll link it down in the description. She so far seems to be the master of this and has created some really beautiful pieces. So definitely check that out. And otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this. Definitely give this technique a try. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.